Today we're going to do a little cleaning of the plastic lens. As you can see, it's got a little bit of streaks, scuffs, residue marks. It may not take care of all the scratches or scuff marks, but it'll definitely restore some brilliance and make this plastic lens look like new. You'll see all kinds of material residue. So I'm going to show you what I actually use to clean plastic lenses. We got Plastex by Meguiar's, highly recommended. But first we're going to clean it with this solution of Windex, anything generic. I use a shop towel. It's streak free, so there's not going to be any scratches caused by this. And then we're going to finish it up with some microfiber towel. And just apply a little bit here. And already it's looking a lot cleaner. Certain things, like I said, you're just not going to be able to get rid of. It'll definitely restore some of that like new quality. Next thing I'm going to do on a shop towel is just do one little line like that. And then just, as you can see, it's a little hazy. It's going to take care of tiny little scratches and scuff marks. Put some pressure in certain areas that you feel like need it more than others. The extremities will definitely be covered by the plastic trim, so mostly we want to focus on the center. And then it's already looking a lot better. You can see most of that scuff marks is gone. Apply just a tiny bit now on the microfiber towel, just a little bit, and work it in with the microfiber towel. I recommend 100% cotton. If you use paper towels, unlike the shop towels that I'm using here, it might leave a lot of that white residue. And let's see if you see that. Take a closer look. You can see it looks like new. See that corner right there. Definitely recommend this to anybody that's going to be cleaning their plastic lenses. I would not recommend to use any of this on any kind of touchscreen displays in your vehicle or anything that's LCD or crystal quartz. Only use it for plastic lens applications such as instrument cluster. It'll definitely make it look a lot better, like new. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and subscribe on our UpFix YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time.